Hi children, good morning. Take your activity book. Open page number 18. See children, this is your English class. Tiny turtle wants a friend. Fill in the nouns and verbs in the given boxes. The long letters fit into the long boxes. One is done for you children. See here. What is this? What is this picture children? Yes sir. Sema? Yes. Jellyfish. 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 What is this one? Jellyfish. See children, like this only you have to fill these boxes. Okay. See first one. What is this? Identify. Can you recognize? What is this one? Yes. Turtle. Write down children. Take your pencil. Small t, u, r, t, l, e. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Next picture. Seema. What is this one? This is a monkey. Monkey spelling is what? Yes. Write down. Small m, o, n, k, e, y. Down letter. Like this you have to write. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. What is this one ma? Already they are given. Jellyfish. See children, what is this? This is cut. Cut spelling is? Write down C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. See next picture. What is this one? This is a crab. Crab spelling is what? Yes. C-R-A-B. Crab. Write down. Small c. R-A-B. C-R-A-B. Crab. Okay. See next picture. What is this one ma? She is throwing a ball. So, throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. See next one. What is this one children? What is he doing ma here? He is eating. Yes. What is eating spelling? Eat. E-A-T. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. What is this picture children? This one is shrimp. Yes or no? Shrimp. What is the shrimp spelling? Write down S-H-R-I-M-P. Down letter. What is the shrimp spelling children? S-H-R-I-M-P. Shrimp. See children, what is this one ma? This is seahorse. What is the seahorse spelling? Do you remember? Tell the seahorse spelling. Yes. S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Seahorse. Write down children. Small s. E-A-H. Up letter. O-R-S-E. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Okay children. See the next picture. What was he doing? He is catching that ball. So here verb is catch. Verb is an action word. Yes or no? Here catch is an action word. So write down children. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. See children, I will recall it again from starting onwards. What is this picture, ma? This is noun. Turtle. Turtle. This is also noun. Monkey. Monkey. It is jellyfish. 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 It is also noun. It is cut. Cut is an action word. Yes or no? Here cut is verb here. CUT, cut. See next one. This one is noun. CRAB, crab. CRAB, crab. It is throw. Throw is an action word. It is verb here. THROW, throw. THROW, throw. This one is eat. He is eating something. Yes or no? So eat. Eat is verb. Eat is an action word. So here verb is eat. EAT, eat. It is shrimp. SHRAMP, shrimp. This is noun. This is seahorse. This is also noun, children. SEAHORSE, seahorse. Here it is catch. Catch is an action word. So here the verb is catch. CATCH, catch. Next page. Tick the correct adjective for each picture. Here, see children. Clean, dirty, good. They wearing which type of clothes? Dirty. Yes or no? So, tick dirty. Here see children. He is an old or young or fast? Old. So, tick old. Okay, next picture. Here the coffee is very hot or cold or icy. Yes, it is very hot. So tick on the head of the hot. Next, this girl is very short or tiny or very tall. Yes, she is very tall. Tick the tall. Next line. This rose is yellow. Yellow color is yellow or green or red. What is the color of the red color of the rose? Yes, this is red color rose. So tick red. Yes. This one is sparrow. Yes or no? Sparrow. This is very huge or big or very small? Yes, it is very small. So tick on the small. Next line. This elephant is very strong or weak or light? Yes, this elephant is very strong one. Elephant is very strong. So tick strong. Here girl is laughing. Yes or no? See carefully. Here she is laughing. So that means she is very sad or shy or happy. Shy means siggupadadam. She is very sad or shy or happy. Yes, happy. So tick on the happy word. See children. Dirty, old, hot, tall, strong. Third line children, sorry. Red, small, strong, happy. Next page children. Here see ma, observe the pictures and complete the sentences by choosing the correct adjective from the given set of words. Here some words are given children. See, some blanks also given. So we will write now the correct adjective in this blank place. Yes or no? See, the dash mouse fooled the cat. See children here. Once read these words. HUGE, huge. STRONG, strong. Clever, clever. Best, best. Interesting, interesting. Cold, cold. Old. Next one. Beautiful, beautiful. See, which one is the correct adjective here in first blank? The dash mouse fooled the cat. Yes, the clever mouse. See children, what was the correct adjective? Clever. Write down Clever. 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 Next one. The drink is very hot or cold? Here see. Huge, strong, clever, best, interesting, cold, old, beautiful. What was the correct adjective here? Cold. See children, here in this class ice cubes are there, yes or no? So this drink is very cold. Write down cold spelling C-O-L-D, cold. Full stop. At the end of the sentence we put full stop always. Next. This tree has a dash trunk. This tree has a, see children here, huge trunk. Huge means vedalpuga unna. Huge trunk. H-U-G-E, huge. G down letter. H-U-G-E, huge. This tree has a huge trunk. Next, fourth one. The dash lady walked slowly. Here see children, this lady is old or young? Yes, old. The old lady walked slowly. In this words, what was the correct adjective? Old. Write down children in this blank, old spelling. What was the spelling of the old? O-L-D, old. The old lady walked slowly. Next one. They saw on dash movie. They saw and dash movie. Interesting movie. The correct adjective is interesting. What is the interesting spelling? I-N-T-R-E-S-T-I-N-G down later. Write neatly without any mistakes ma. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Interesting. They saw an interesting movie. See children, next. She is the dash student in the class. She is wearing a beautiful hat and uniform or shoe, tie and belt. Yes or no? So she is the dash student in the class. Yes, they are given some adjectives. What was the correct adjective here? Yes, best. She is the best student in the class. What is the best spelling children? B-E-S-T, best. She is the best student in the class. She is the best student in the class. See next one. He is a dash man. He is a strong man. What was the correct adjective here? Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. He is a strong man. Next one. This bag is dash. This bag is beautiful. Write down children, the correct adjective is beautiful. What is the beautiful spelling? B-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Once again I will recall it ma. See carefully. The clever mouse fooled the cat. The drink is cold. This tree has a huge trunk. The old lady walked slowly. They saw an interesting movie. She is the best student in the class. He is a strong man. This bag is beautiful. Okay children, learn these adjective spellings ma and write down each one 5 times. Okay, we will meet again in next class children. Thank you. Bye.